it's Sunday evening and we're coming into a new week tomorrow. So I've just got done with all of my pre-week analysis, got that all wrapped up, just so we know exactly what we're looking for going into tomorrow. Tomorrow is, however, a bank holiday in the UK and in the US. I also don't trade Mondays anyway, so that's not too much of an issue. So we won't be trading tomorrow. We'll just be keeping an eye on price and see what the market does, see how it moves. So yeah, we're just gonna see what tomorrow brings. Obviously, like I said, no trades tomorrow, but then fully trading again from Tuesday. See if we can catch some nice moves this week and capitalize on price action. And I'll keep you updated and show you what happens throughout the week. So it's now Monday evening and today was a UK and US bank holiday. So I was not trading today. I did, however, get some back testing done. So yeah, we're just moving on to tomorrow now, see what the market's looking like, see if we get any valid setups, and obviously I'll keep you updated if we do take a trade. So guys, it's Tuesday evening now, and what a day we've had today. I've taken my best trade to date, that's percentage wise and monetary wise, but yeah, it's been a really good day overall. Had a bias spot on today. I was able to get a really nice position. I could have held for a lot more and definitely could have got my account passed today, but we stuck to a 1 to 3 and we got our full TP hit. Yes guys, so it's Wednesday today, and yesterday we had that 6% trade, which was very nice, and today we have had another very good trade, and I've actually managed to pass my 50k account now. Well, the phase 1 should I say, sorry. So we had that 6% yesterday, and then obviously today I only needed 2% more, as it was 8% to pass the account. So yeah, got that done today, had a really nice setup again today. I risked 2% again and got that passed very nicely. I'll show you now, that's my, if you can see that, my 5k account, 5434. So literally $70 more, and that's passed because this is 10%, so that's obviously $500 that we need to pass. So yeah, another $70 on that, and then that 5k is also passed. So we'll get on to phase 2 now, hopefully get that passed sooner rather than later, and yeah, hopefully get funded, that's the idea, that's what we're aiming for. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you updated on the 5k as well. Hopefully we can get that passed. Like I said, only $70 more needed, but we don't want to fuck that up and then yeah, basically end up losing all that. So we'll go steady with it, obviously look for just another valid setup and take that. So I'm just getting this week's video all edited and finished up with, but I just wanted to put this bit in there to say that Thursday and Friday we did not take any trades, as there was no valid setups for us, so we just stayed patient and stayed away, as we do not need to rush into anything. We'll just wait for the new week next week and see what that holds for us, and see if we can get any potential valid setups and get these accounts further on. Like I said, we've got that phase 2 to get on with, and just a little bit more on phase 1 of the 5k, and that'll be passed as well. So yeah, just getting this week's video edited now, and then that will be out shortly. We'll see what we get going into the new week, excited for it, and see if we can get this 50k passed. That would be a really big achievement for me, and yeah, one step closer to being funded, so that'll be good. So stay tuned and I'll keep you updated on that.